Guys, magandang gabi. Ako pala ay I will slice the ham came from our government here in Calamba, Laguna. So tonight it is our bayan. Ito ulam namin ngayong gabi. So please subscribe, God's Glory Vlogger. Ganyan kabuti ang Panginoon. Hindi pa Pasko. Not yet Christmas, but we taste and we eat ham. Yes, given by the government officials of our place here in Calamba, Laguna. Okay, praise the Lord. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. God's Glory Vlogger for the needy people. Poorest of the poor people in our country. Mga pinakamahihirap na dapat talagang tulungan. Yung mga kaya namang kumayod, nakakaraos pa at medyo kumakain pa 3 beses at isang araw may merienda pa tulungan din natin, pero hindi yung sobra. Ang tutulungan talaga natin yung mga walang-wala, yung mga umiiyak dahil walang hanap buhay. Di makapag-hospital, di makapagpaaral, walang permanenteng trabaho, walang hanap buhay, senior citizens, widowers, orphans. So, tulungan natin sila. We help all people that needs our help by the glory of God. So please subscribe, God's Glory Vlogger. We will fry this ham and our food tonight. Okay, bye-bye. God bless.